I am proud to be a part of RGU,
I am proud to be part of RGU,
Rathinam Global University.
Rathinam Global University.
Today, as we launch a new chapter,
Today we launch a new chapter.
I pledge to respect our legacy,
I pledge to respect our legacy,
protect our institution,
protect our institution,
support our students,
support our students,
and contribute to the growth of RGU family.
and contribute to the growth of RGU family.
I will uphold the values of commitment,
I will uphold the values of commitment,
teamwork,
teamwork,
discipline, and excellence.
discipline, and excellence.
I will work with sincerity,
I will work with sincerity,
unity, and pride.
unity, and pride.
I will celebrate every achievement and enrichment of
I will celebrate every achievement
RGU as my own.
RGU.
I will stand together with my colleagues
I will stand together with my colleagues
to build a stronger future,
to build a stronger future
for our children.
for our children.
We respect our legacy,
We respect our legacy,
we protect our institution,
protect our institution,
we support our students,
we support our students,
we grow together.
we grow together.
One team,
One team,
one vision,
one vision,
one RGU.
one RGU.
Think global,
Think global,
achieve the extraordinary.
achieve the extraordinary.
Congrats.